Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today our Indian friends will teach us how to make authentic biryani. So I'm looking forward to it. Now they are preparing for cooking. Let's check it out. So Suma, what are you making?
Good afternoon. Today I am making dosha. Dosha is a very famous South Indian food. So I'm just going to make a crispy dosha. Along with that, two sauce. That is, one is coconut chutney and the other one is sambar.
So Shamim,
Yes, doctor.
hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What are you making?
I am going to make our traditional famous in our place, and it is Hyderabadi spicy chicken or mutton biryani. Garlic and ginger paste, and this is cucumber, turmeric,
This is,
turmeric powder,
Turmeric.
and
Yes.
red chili powder. It is hot, and this is just little bit hot, not very spices, but we can use this mix with masalas also. And this is shazira. And this is garam masala powder, and this
This is again all the
spices,
Oh, the mixed spice.
mixed spices, and this is powder, and this one uses with rice.
So what's this?
This is color for orange color
that is kind
for biryani
Ah,
color.
This is the saffron.
No, this
No?
is color,
food color.
orange color, food color.
Actually-
First, we have to cut the onions according to the kg of chicken or mutton. If it is 1 kg, we have to put 1.5. If 2 kg, it is to be 2.5.
And
This is the mint.
this is mint leaves.
Mint
This is
leaves.
coriander.
Coriander. Nice.
This is a ready-made dosha flour. Usually we make at home, with the rice and the black gram dal 3:1. And also with that I will add one teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. So all these three things it has to be soaked for 6 to 7 hours. Then after washing, you have to wash rice and the black gram dal properly. Then soak it for 8 hours. Then grind it properly. So actually you should make dosha in a medium flame, but it should not be too much hot if you want crispy. So I'm just sprinkling little water just to adjust the temperature. That's it.
Just cool down.
Yeah, just cool
Yeah,
down.
okay.
Just you can just and slowly spread it over and make it thin. Ghee. This is from the pure. This is classic ghee. This is from the cow.
Cow.
Melted. Yes.
Oh, I see.
Yes. I just want to make crispy, so I'm just doing like this.
So what is this?
This is ghee. We are going to fry onion, first step of biryani. 3 to 4 cups of oil. We have to fry onion. So according to this is a 1.5 kg biryani. So we have according to add this cinnamon, some pieces, and clove and black pepper, and some this like masala, and some curd, some coriander leaves, and green chili, some mint,
Lots of spices
Lot
to
of
use.
spices. If according to how much you want spice or less spice according to the, and this coriander leaves also you can add here when it's boiling the rice biryani. Till it will boil, we can prepare the basic masala of the biryani.
So you wash the meat,
Wash the chicken
chicken.
or meat first. This 1.5 kg chicken. We are going to add garlic and paste, ginger paste.
You make this.
I
you
make
made
this homemade, this one, garlic and
Very good.
ginger paste. Salt.
Dr. Kaka, you eat then in between them.
Hmm?
Can you just go and have a bit?
Turmeric powder. This is the basic masala. It says in Hyderabad biryani akhni. This name is akhni. This green red chili powder, it is very spices. If you like more spices, you can add more extra. Shazira. This is more spicy. This pure red chili powder, and this is Kashmiri red chili powder. Less spicy.
Nice flavor.
Nice flavor. It will give more nice flavor and very tasty if you.
Oh, very good.
Little, because there is already green chili and red chili, so I will put less chili. Then this garam masala powder. Going to mix nicely this masala with salt and all chilies, red chili, green chili, some coriander leaves also we are going to put here. We can mix this all. This is 1.5 kg, so we are going to add the yogurt,
For the crispiness you put.
3 spoon yogurt.
Thoda sa.
We will see if we need more later. We will mix first, then we will see if we need some more yogurt or no.
Flagrant.
Okay.
If you are, now we will add some mint. We will add some coriander leaves to be garnished this masala. And next we will add the onion, which one we already cook there. You do just little like to decorate this.
Flour.
Half onion and this oil we will add here with this masalas. We should not cook complete, should be some raw.
बहुत मोटा होता है, थोड़ा पानी डाल के पतला किया, थोड़ा फ्रिज पे ठंडा है तो निकाल के बाहर रखो, थोड़ा 1 घंटा बाद फिर बनाओ.
We will add here half rice. We can. This is second step of biryani. कौन सा नहीं ये
40-50 now.
Shamim, this one should cover or no need?
later after.
Oh, later.
Start, yeah.
Okay.
After, because there is masala with yogurt, it will come like oily, and water it will come from yogurt. So we should dry
Like a festival sort of thing.
then half cook we
Yes.
can add.
All of them
Add
will come,
this.
they will.
And the cover.
Here also there are mommies and
Yes.
they are cooking.
Good.
फातिमा ये कवर में डालो. Remaining oil we can put at on the top.
कौन से leaf है? Mint leaves.
Mint leaves, coriander leaves. में थोड़ा डालना. ये साइड में रख दो, बाद में डालेंगे.
बस काफी है ना.
हाँ बस बस.
Otherwise
This is
it will become-
orange red mixed with powder. We are food color to be.
ये मैं zero करूँ?
We are using for the biryani. And I'm garnishing just to be look good for Dr. Takahara special.
अब इतना काफी है?
Step now, last step we have to cook this until the dry water down. We masala water. Dr. Takaharov will opening for our tasty biryani
To check,
to check how's the taste.
Great. Great idea. Wow. Nice smell. Very good. Nice aroma. Wow.
थोड़ा और कुकिंग नहीं
Oh, hot.
Hot. Take
Hot.
it. It's cook, half cook. Half cook.
Oh,
Doctor.
very hot. Very hot.
Just taste.
आई थिंक थोड़ा और पकने का चाट करो अभी तो बॉईल हो गया ना चाट करेगा
Very nice. So what's in it?
This is cardamom. I just want to crush and put for the sweet.
ना
पानी गरम करके
नहीं वो उसमें डाल दो हो जाएगा वो इतना है बंद करने के बाद भी ये
नहीं ना फिर
क्या खिला सकते हैं
This is sweet.
This is okay. The small cup में डाल कर देगा. Even I brought, for a small hospital place. At least I thought my son will become doctor. Little oil, not too much oil.
not too much
Yeah, Dr. Thakur, my cooking,
Yes.
all masala I make at home. Not much oil, very little oil, healthy.
We have finished.
Finish.
Yes, not for you.
Oh my God.
You didn't want to eat. Come on, Taka. Yeah, take the hot one.
Oh, take hot one.
And then put a little bit of this.
So what do you call this dish? Coconut.
Yeah, coconut chutney. They have a name for it, I think.
Oh.
Coconut chutney.
Very difficult.
It's like chopsticks.
Very good. Very good. I will try coconut one. Moringa.
Moringa. It's like lady finger, but the fibers are unedible. So you
Oh.
can chew it, squeeze it in your mouth, and then you take out the fiber.
Oh, I see. So this is a
Vegetable.
basically very long one.
Exactly.
Or,
Very
Ah.
long.
Okay, the long one.
Yeah, you're right. Yes, it is. It's leaf. Everything is.
Fiber.
There's a lot of fibers.
Yeah.
You need to take it out. बड़ा जबरदस्त और फटाफट बनाया तुमने
लेट हो गया
तजुर्बेकार हो Very nice, Shamim.
Oh, very nice.
Excellent.
Very tasty.